Hi, fellow Webflowers. So if you are working with per page CSS, you maybe notice a problem in combination with components. So here, for example, I have this heading and I have this paragraph. And this heading itself is also a component. And you can see here that I have the possibility to set the H tag. So currently it's an H2. I could set it to an H1. And in addition, I have here a field where I can set classes. So I can have it an H1 that looks like, let's make it super obvious, an H6. And you can see everything looks fine here as expected in the designer. But when I publish the page now, here we go, you can see it didn't work. It still looks like the H1. The reason for this is that Webflow doesn't register these class names here and doesn't add them to the CSS file for this page. So, but I found a workaround that works pretty good. So I prepared something, I'm just pasting it in here. I have a div, I called it global CSS classes, and in there I have 3 other divs, and here I've added all the classes that can be added inside a component here. So for example, here I've added all heading classes, here I've added all text size classes, I've added all max width classes and my 3 theme classes. And at first I thought, okay, this is a workaround, it works. The disadvantage is on each published page, I have a couple of divs here with a bunch of class names. Doesn't cause any problem in my opinion, but it's not that super nice solution. And the next step I tried out is now I can also go here to the visibility settings and even put this on hidden. And this means that it doesn't appear in the source code of this page. Yeah, you won't find it here when you publish it. And now when I publish it, now you can see it's hidden. And I reload the page. You can see my H1 here is now, okay, that's very tiny here. So here I have this H1 and here's the class UH6. And yeah, it gets the styling from this UH6 class. And that's the way you can still use this per page CSS and maybe make it compatible with older projects from you. Just add the classes to a div like this. And what I also would recommend, you need this div here now on each page. So I'm copying it from here and go to my default global styles. I have some embeds here and just paste it in here. And then it's just in my global, then it's just part of my global styles component and it's included in each page and I don't have to think anymore about it. So hope you like this video. If you want to see more like this, just subscribe to my channel or follow me on LinkedIn.